If you perk up when you hear words like vintage or retro, you'll love this. Winston-Salem, North Carolina is home to the last novelty clamshell station from the Shell Oil Company. In the 1930s, the London-based oil company decided to construct several of these clamshell stations to attract attention and business in certain struggling markets. The technique of using literal representations of symbols was popular in marketing at the time. There were 7 of these filling stations built in Winston-Salem, and 1 in nearby Kernersville. This station was built in 1930 by R.H. Burton and his son Ralph on the corner of Sprague and Peach Streets. It wasn't easy to construct either. They had to make a curving wooden frame, add a wire mesh, and then cover the building in stucco to achieve the effect. It wasn't exactly practical, but it is eye-catching, especially now that it's been restored by Preservation North Carolina. The nonprofit group actually used the building as a satellite office for a while, before bringing it back to its former glory and converting it to a sort of mini museum. This is a fun stop not far from Interstate 40. If you're traveling by, definitely check out this unique piece of early 20th century history. It's the last of its kind. And if you want to find out more about artifacts from North Carolina's past, give this video a quick like and consider subscribing. Thanks.